Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lexi, and starting off with this really quick Shea Moisture Manuka honey and yogurt collection. There's no style. It's going to be actually a very quick review. Starting off with shampoo. It's very liquidy, runny, but it definitely did cleanse my hair. Like, it cleansed my hair a lot. I was worried my hair was going to feel stripped because it was very cleansing, but when I rinsed it out, my hair was not stripped at all and it was actually quite soft. All the items in this line are repairing, which means they are protein rich, so keep that in mind. This conditioner was extremely thick and it did feel like a protein conditioner. It did not feel like a moisturizing one, although you can detangle with it, and my hair was super duper soft, like crazy soft. I definitely worked that into my hair. Because it was so thick, you need your hair to be wet and you need to take your time and work it all the way in. I was thoroughly impressed with the softness that I achieved. Now I went ahead and applied the Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment, which you don't have to mix these two together, but I wanted to get an accurate, just put them all together in one quick wash and see how it came out. This was super thick and you definitely have to work this, and it took me a little minute to work it into my hair, but I think that's a good thing because then your hair is taking more time having the treatment in it. It definitely again felt like a protein strengthening treatment, but the hair was hydrated. This whole line just felt like the Manuka honey line they already have that I absolutely love, with just some added protein in it. So if you are protein deficient, this could be a great line for you. If you are protein sensitive, then stay away from it. So now I'm going in with the Hydrate and Repair Multi-Action Leave-In. Very liquidy, very watery. I would not recommend this. It wasn't the best. It didn't really do anything for my hair. Yeah, it was like a mixture of a cream and a liquid, and it was just okay. It was okay. It wasn't anything special. So I went ahead and sectioned my hair off, and I wanted to try out their split end treatment, which I actually do really like from this collection. I wasn't sure if it, gave me immediate results or instant, mending of my split ends, but I could see how over time it could be a nice addition to your hair routine. So I went ahead and wet the ends a little bit more, and the split end treatment is like a wax. It's super thick, like literally like a wax. So you see it in my finger right there, and I went ahead and rubbed my fingers together to warm it up, and then I put it on my ends, and I put my hair in a twist just to show you guys the shine and the softness that I achieved with these products. But what would I spend my coins on? I would probably get just the shampoo and the deep treatment, the intense treatment, and I might splurge and get the split end treatment, but not 100% sure on that. And that's the end of our review, guys. Super quick, super easy. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.